What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be going through the driving trail up here in Gatlinburg. It's about a 6-mile loop where you can see all kinds of old cabins and things like that. This is the first stop on our journey. Most of this is probably just going to be driving, but come with us.
Named after the roaring mountain stream, the Roaring Fork Motor Trail is a 6-mile loop filled with old homesteads, cabins, walking trails, as well as access to Rainbow Falls. At the end of the loop, there is an old general store where you can pick up a lot of items for souvenirs. They've got t-shirts and things like that. Stay around to later in the video and you will actually see that store. The way you get to Roaring Fork Motor Trail is to turn at Light 8 in Gatlinburg and follow the signs. To make your day much more enjoyable, I would suggest that you take some drinks as well as some snacks. Traffic on the loop will depend on the time of year that you're there. Certain times of the year there's a lot more traffic there, especially like during fall when the leaves are changing and things like that. So you can expect delays if the loop is real busy. So that's why it's a good idea to take some snacks and drinks and that sort of thing, because there is nowhere along the way until you get to the general store where you can stop to buy anything. Don't let the distance fool you. Even though the loop is only 6 miles long, when you go into the loop and you start making the stops and things like that, you're going to see that you will spend a good portion of your day there at the loop. Unfortunately, there are a lot of folks that come into the Roaring Fork Motor Trail, visit the cabins, and end up literally leaving their mark there by carving on the walls. Do not do that. Leave the structures as they are. This is something unfortunate that happens in the park, and it's a shame to see these cabins destroyed by this kind of stuff. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever been through the Roaring Fork Motor Trail.
One of the big things about this trail is the cabins, as you can see back behind me, and there's several places here that are just very interesting, very neat to see.
It's a good idea to wear some comfortable shoes. I don't recommend sandals or anything like that, even though a lot of folks wear them. A good set of hiking shoes is probably going to do you much better, because as you can see from some of the trails, the rocks and things like that, you don't want to twist an ankle or anything like that and get hurt and just make for a very bad day. If you came to the Smokies in a very large vehicle, an RV or something like that, you're probably going to want to not take that on the motor trail. There are some very narrow sections of the road You can rent side-by-sides and things like that, as you saw earlier in the video, where you could take those through the park as well. It's a good way to enjoy your day. Now we're coming up on the general store.
You got all kinds of shirts. Here's just some old-fashioned soap.
Yeah. You got the key to that? I'll take that.
I know, I said this is the brand.
What is it?
That was the lotion we stopped on.
Oh, downtown.
Okay guys, that was the motor trail. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Check out all the links down in the description, and we'll see you next time.